Guys, I want to get on and do a real quick review about a piece of essential equipment that I carry with me as I go hunting, especially out in a place like Comstock, Texas, where you're miles and miles and miles away from anything that would be considered major medical. So it's a very rugged country. There's a lot of places you can have slips and falls, bang yourself up. I do hunt on a big piece of property, and I always, concerned sometimes is accidents, especially if it's a gunshot wound. If you got major bleed happening, that's always a major concern. So having something with you at all times that's small, compact, and ready to go, and just spec'd out for what your purposes are is critical. And so Haven Ready has put together a really cool first aid and survival pack. This is their kit that actually, for probably, if you were stranded somewhere for 3 days, you could survive with everything in here. Everything on the survival side, from fire starter, thermal blankets. They actually have compass, 550 cord, whistles, everything you need for basically flagging someone down. You've got those essentials in here. What's also nice about this kit is that it's got some additional things that most small first aid kits don't have, and those are things like a really good tourniquet, a chest seal that kind of stands out a little bit more with a pack like this. Obviously it has all the standard kind of bandages, gauze, things like that to kind of stop a minor bleed. But for those major bleeds where you've got to stop it for long periods of time because you're not going to be able to get to either someone to you or to the medical services that you need. So this pack is really, really good. I think they've got a really good video online that actually they break it down of every single piece that's in it, and I'm not going to do that right now. But for me, being able to hunt in a place like this and know that I've got the capabilities to kind of get myself out of a sticky situation, that's a big piece of insurance. And what's nice about this pack too is that the way it's designed, it's MOLLE capable. So if your pack is MOLLE capable, you can stick it to there to the webbing. Like for instance, this one has some Velcro that I can pull off. Do the same thing here. Just stick it, take this one off, stick it right here, and I'm good to go. So again, check out Haven Ready. This is a really good survival kit and first aid kit, and so for the price, you can't beat it, especially for the peace of mind that you're going to get in this bag.
Haven Ready for life.